To all the new mamas out there who can't help but to kiss their little babies a million times a minute, and to those of us who just simply love snogging, but we don't want to get lipstick all over our faces or our babies or our lovers, then add a beautiful pop of colour to your lips by using a stain. First and importantly, prep your lips. My favourite lip treatment is Veneffect. This product gives a really good base, an even base to your lips, and makes them feel soft and hydrated, but not too slippery for lipstick. Blot your lips and then go straight in with the colour. I'm going to be using Body Shop's Pink Hibiscus. When you apply the colour, stretch your lips and rub the liquidy pigment in. This is a really important step as it makes sure the pigment is evenly laid into the lips. Slowly and carefully build up the colour. To make your lips look a little bit bigger, just create a lovely arc with the line from the outer corner of your mouth to the top of your cupid's bow, making the lip look a little bit fuller. Blot the lips, and with your ring finger very gently just push the colour off your lip line, especially at the top. It stops it feathering. And lastly, dust over with a little bit of matte blush. And there you are, totally kissable, non-transferable colour on your lips. Enjoying being with the ones that you love this Valentine's Day.